Hello and welcome to Promatic Software's benefits of integrating WorkTracker with XactAnalysis demonstration video. WorkTracker allows contractors and adjusters to complete required tasks from the field and simultaneously upload the information to XactAnalysis. On the left is our XactAnalysis account. On the right is our phone. Using WorkTracker creates enhanced contractor and adjuster performance, improved SLAs scores, compliance clarity, straight-through processing possibilities, increased policyholder satisfaction, and minimized assignment oversight for insurers and TPAs. Now, we are dispatching a new assignment through XactAnalysis to the contractor or adjuster of our choice. The new assignment notification arrives on the phone immediately. Once an assignment is claimed by a contractor or adjuster, the assignment information is automatically populated into the contractor's or adjuster's WorkTracker app. Assignments claimed by contractors and adjusters also creates a note in XactAnalysis. WorkTracker allows contractors and adjusters to add source, exterior, and room photos. Adding photos is easy, allowing for annotations and captions. Once saved, the photo, annotation, and caption are all automatically uploaded to XactAnalysis, mitigating visual loss, reporting errors, omissions, or delays. Unlimited rooms can be added to WorkTracker. The room's name and photos are automatically uploaded into XactAnalysis. Add assignment notes. Contractors and adjusters are able to dictate or type notes that are added to XactAnalysis directly through WorkTracker, allowing insurers and TPAs to have an up-to-the-minute understanding of the assignment. Secure signed documents. Documents such as work authorizations and completion certificates can be customized to each insurer or TPA's needs. WorkTracker uses the assignment information to create completed documents that only require a signature. The document is signed and witnessed through the app. On completion, the documents are uploaded to XactAnalysis. Enter important dates. Insurers and TPAs can choose what dates they require contractors or adjusters to enter, such as target start and target completion dates. When a chosen date is updated in WorkTracker, it is simultaneously updated in the XactAnalysis assignment. Reminder alerts are sent to the contractor or adjuster. This promotes swift data entry, resulting in better SLA scores. Confirm compliances are met. Insurers and TPAs customize their compliance list. For example, was there pre-existing damage? Is subrogation a possibility? Contractors and adjusters use WorkTracker to confirm compliances have been met as per the insurers or TPA's guidelines. As you can see, all of the data has been uploaded to the related XactAnalysis assignment. This is what makes straight-through processing possible. Insurers can set parameters to allow for straight-through processing. For example, if the loss is less than $10,000 and all the compliance items are satisfied, a work authorization and completion certificate have been secured. Then insurers and TPAs can pay the exact estimate amount in close assignments with minimal oversight. Automobile insurers have been using straight-through processing to make automatic payments for years. Now WorkTracker has made it possible in property. In summary, WorkTracker provides enhanced contractor and adjuster performance, improved SLA scores, compliance clarity, straight-through processing possibilities, increased policyholder satisfaction, minimized assignment oversight for insurers and TPAs.